Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to wash out diesel from your clothes. Diesel is oil-based. Any type of gas or oil that you get in your clothes, maybe you've been riding four-wheelers or your husband's been working in the garage and somebody forgot to put on their play clothes, so you're stuck with trying to repair a pair of jeans that you just bought for him a week ago. Anyway, it's a common occurrence, but don't worry, this is what you do. Grab your baking soda. Always have baking soda on hand. It will be a lifesaver in so many situations. Sprinkle it onto the stain and scrub it. Keep doing this until the baking soda has stopped balling up on you. You want to, shake it out, do it again. Keep doing that until the baking soda is not balling up anymore, and that means it's soaked up the liquids, it's soaked up the oils in it. Next, get a bottle of Degreaser and make a spray bottle with half Degreaser and half water and have it handy if this is something that happens a lot in your house. But the mixture is half Degreaser, half water. Spray it onto the stain. Let this sit overnight. It'll really draw the stain out, and when you wake up in the morning, you want to wash this in the hottest setting possible. If the smell is really bad still, let the garment soak in vinegar and water, about a cup of vinegar, maybe half a gallon of water, if even that much. Just let it soak in vinegar and water first before you throw it in the wash, and that'll get rid of the smell. If you think the smell is really bad, dump a cup of vinegar in the wash when you wash the clothes. Wash them on the hottest setting possible, dry them as usual, and the stain should be gone. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you get diesel out of clothes.